got to tell you about our Apprenticeship Hour, and this is the last Thursday of every month. And it's amazing. It's anatomy and physiology at a doctorate level, but this is worded down for everybody, so real normal people can get it. So when you understand how your body works, it's amazing. This class coming up is on kidney, liver, and spleen function. So you know the triad at how your body is actually functioning. Now, when you look at the regular medical industry, okay, you got an endocrinologist that looks at the adrenal glands, you got the hepatologist that looks at the liver. Nobody is looking at how they all interact with blood production, healthy blood, bile production, hormone production, I mean, everything. You're gonna learn this in about an hour, okay, and then we've got a half-hour live question and answer session. So this is an exciting program, and it does fill up, but get on there, and if you haven't seen all of them, you can actually get in and see the old episodes too. But this is to learn how your body works is amazing. You're going to get goosebumps, okay? And actually, we should do a class on goosebumps.